So today let's talk a little bit about cardboard relief sculptures. So cardboard relief is when we use flat pieces of cardboard to build up and create some sort of image. So first we need a base piece of cardboard. So I have this piece here, and I am using cardboard from a box because I want to be able to use this corrugation too. I want to be able to peel this layer back and use the inside as well. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use some water to wet the top layer of my cardboard. So I also have several pieces of cut cardboard here, right? And I'm going to use water to help remove this top layer, because if I remove this top layer, I have the corrugation on the inside, which I really like, so I can expose that to use, but it also makes each layer easier to cut. So I'm going to use a little bit of water. Not a lot, because a lot of water will just ruin the cardboard. So just kind of a thin layer. Then I just kind of started at the corner and I'm peeling back. Okay, so I removed the top layer, so not only do I have the corrugation that I could use, I have this flat side that I could also use, and it's much easier to cut now that I've removed a layer. So from here, I just have to decide what it is that I'm going to create. So for something like this, it really does help to work from a sketch or have a plan in mind. I like to just kind of start, so I'm going to do just that. So when I am doing this, I'm going to start with a background first. So when I am doing this, I am going to cut out shapes and kind of draw with my shapes before I glue anything down. I don't want to commit to anything just yet, so I'm going to cut out shapes and move them around and continue to try to find an image that I like before I glue.